June 30th is coming, and if you own a home and you're 65 or older, that date could mean the difference between keeping thousands of dollars and giving them away for free. Seniors in at least 12 states have a major property tax relief deadline clustering right around June 30th, 2026. Most of them have no idea it exists. Don't be one of them. Watch this. Here is what your county assessor will never call to tell you. These programs, worth hundreds to thousands of dollars a year, do not sign you up automatically. They don't send reminders. They don't knock on your door. You have to apply. Every single year in many cases. And the cruelest part? Miss the window and you forfeit the exemption for that full tax year. In many states, there is no retroactive recovery, so that money is just gone. The good news is you still have time, but not much. Let's go through exactly who qualifies, what states are affected, and what you need to do before June 30. 4 steps to claim your relief. Step 1. Know what kind of relief you may be entitled to. Pay close attention here because not all property tax relief is the same. States use 4 main structures: assessment exemptions, tax freezes, deferrals, and rebate checks. You may qualify for more than one. Exemptions subtract a dollar amount from your home's assessed value before the tax rate is applied. Texas, for example, provides an additional $10,000 exemption from school tax for homeowners 65 and older, on top of the standard homestead exemption. That directly lowers your tax bill. Freezes lock in your taxable value at the level it was when you turned 65 or first applied. Illinois, New Jersey, Oklahoma, and Texas all operate freezes, and they become enormously valuable in hot housing markets. Even if your home value doubles, your taxable base stays frozen. Rebate checks are different. You pay the full tax bill first, then the state sends money back. Pennsylvania's program works this way. It's money back later, not a discount when the bill first arrives. Deferrals let you postpone taxes entirely until you sell the home. Some states charge low or zero interest. Oregon, Washington, and Colorado are among the states offering this option to qualifying seniors. Understanding which type your state offers changes how you plan. A freeze protects you long-term. A rebate helps cash flow now. Knowing the difference matters. Step 2. Check whether your state has a June area deadline. Here are the key states with major property tax deadlines clustering around June 30th, 2026. Check yours carefully. Pennsylvania. This is the most important one to know right now. The official application deadline for the Pennsylvania Property Tax Rent Rebate Program is June 30th, 2026, for claims based on property taxes or rent paid in 2025. Rebates begin in early July 2026. The form is the PA 1000, and you can file online at mypath.pa.gov. The program can return up to $1,000 to eligible homeowners and renters. And here is the detail that surprises most people. Only half of your Social Security income counts toward the eligibility calculation. That single rule keeps many applicants in the qualifying range who would otherwise appear to exceed the income cap. The income ceiling is $48,110. But remember, you may only count half your Social Security. Many people who think they earn too much actually qualify. For help, call the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue at 1-888-222-9190. Colorado. The deadline to file a protest with the county assessor is June 30th, 2026. If denied, you can appeal to the County Board of Equalization between July 1 and August 5. Colorado also offers a senior property tax freeze for qualifying homeowners. Check directly with your county treasurer. Michigan. The deadline is June 1 for the exemption to apply to the July summer tax bill, or November 1 for the December winter tax bill. If June 1 has already passed for you, the November window may still be open. Other states with spring and early summer deadlines for various programs include Idaho, Oregon, Washington, Maryland, Minnesota, and New Hampshire. The specifics vary by program and county. The bottom line, if your state is on this list, or even if it isn't, go to your county assessor's official website today, search for senior exemption or property tax relief, and look for the current year deadline. Step 3. Gather these documents before you apply. Most applications are straightforward, but they do require documentation. Pull these together now so you're not scrambling at the last minute. 1. Proof of age. A driver's license, state ID, or birth certificate. 2. Proof of ownership and residency. Your deed or mortgage statement showing this is your primary home. 3. Your 2025 income records. Social Security statements, pension statements, any 1099s. Remember, in most programs, only half your Social Security counts. 4. Proof of property taxes paid. Your 2025 property tax receipt or statement from your county. If you pay through escrow, your mortgage servicer can provide this. 5. The correct form for your state. In Pennsylvania, that's the PA 1000. In New Jersey, it's the PTR 1 or PTR 2. In your state, check your county assessor's website for the exact form number. Free filing help is available in every state. The Pennsylvania Department of Revenue, AARP Tax Aid, and many senior centers offer free filing assistance. AARP Tax Aid operates nationwide. Search aarp.org/taxaid for a location near you. Step 4. Apply and mark your calendar for next year. Once you have your documents, apply as early as possible. Don't wait until June 29th. Online filing is faster and results in quicker payment in most states. Pennsylvania's MyPath portal at mypath.pa.gov processes applications and sends direct deposit rebates faster than paper mail. After you apply, write next year's deadline on your calendar right now. Put it on your phone. Tell a family member. Most senior exemptions require you to file in the year you first qualify. And miss the window and you forfeit the exemption for that full tax year with no retroactive recovery. This is not a one-and-done process in most states. Before you celebrate, there is something you must know. These programs are not the same as your annual property tax assessment. They are separate applications, separate deadlines, separate offices. Even if you successfully claimed this exemption last year, many programs require annual renewal, especially income-tested programs. New Jersey's Senior Freeze requires every recipient to file a PTR 1 or PTR 2 form each year. Pennsylvania's rebate program requires a new PA 1000 every year. If you skip a year assuming you're still enrolled, you're not. There's a second catch. Your underlying assessment may still be wrong even with a senior exemption. The exemption reduces what you owe, but if your home is overassessed, you may still be overpaying. You have the right to appeal your assessment separately on a different deadline through your county's assessment review board. Ask about that process when you call. And one more thing. Moving does not carry your benefits with you. In most states, tax protections do not transfer when you move. In New York, you generally must occupy a new home for 12 consecutive months before you are eligible for the senior exemption again. If you have recently downsized or relocated, start the application process fresh in your new county immediately. 3 things to walk away with today. First, the clock is running. June 30 is the confirmed deadline for Pennsylvania's property tax rent rebate program, and a cluster of other state and county deadlines fall in the same window. Check yours today at your county assessor's official website. Second, Most of these programs do not enroll you automatically, do not send reminders, and do not offer retroactive recovery. The responsibility is entirely on you to file. Third, free help exists. AARP Tax Aid, your State Department of Revenue, and local senior centers can walk you through the application at no cost. You do not need to hire anyone to claim what you are already owed. Share this video right now with a neighbor, a sibling, a friend from your church or community center. This deadline will pass silently for millions of seniors who simply never heard about it. Subscribe so you never miss a video about protecting your retirement. And drop a comment below. Which state are you in? I read every one. See you in the next one.